Are you looking for the ultimate family escape? Oh, I need my mic. Are you looking for the ultimate family-friendly escape in the Mediterranean? Let me tell you about Parklane in Cyprus and the 5 reasons it's one of my favorite resorts for families. Hi, my name's Christina. I'm the owner of Showcase the World Travel, where we help busy parents create stress-free vacations to build lifelong memories. And Cyprus is a hidden gem for family travel, and Parklane is the perfect place to experience everything this beautiful island has to offer. With luxurious accommodations and thoughtful amenities for families, this resort is a must visit. Today I'm sharing 5 reasons why Parklane is one of my favorite family-friendly resorts. So today I'm sharing 5 reasons why Parklane is one of my favorite family-friendly resorts in the Mediterranean. If you love travel tips, family-friendly resort recommendations, and vacation planning advice, please make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. One of the reasons I love Parklane so much because it goes beyond typical resort activities by offering workshops that immerse families in Cypriot culture. Kids and parents can bond over activities like pottery making, learning traditional dance, or even baking Cypriot treats. These hands-on experiences create meaningful memories that give your family an even deeper appreciation for the island's rich heritage. Next, there are endless pools for every member of the family. And if you're a parent, don't discount the power of a pool. This resort features a variety of pools designed for every age and interests. Little ones will adore the pirate-themed kids pool with slides and water features, while adults can unwind at the tranquil adults-only pool. And of course, there's a stunning seawater pool that feels like swimming in the Mediterranean, perfect for families who want to enjoy a relaxing dip together. And the beach is just nearby if you want some real salt water as well. Another reason why I really love it is for the Stellar Kids Club. This isn't just a let me throw my kid in a room and maybe they'll like it, maybe they won't. The Kids Club at the Parklane is one of the best that I've seen. It offers age-appropriate activities that range from arts and crafts to outdoor games and nature explorations. There's even a dedicated play area and staff who ensure kids are entertained and safe while parents enjoy some well-deserved relaxation time. It's a win-win for the whole family. Are you planning a vacation that maximizes your precious time together as a family is so important. That's why I created the free guide 18 Summers. It's my 18 favorite destinations for families, but it's organized by age so that you can understand the best places for toddlers, preschoolers, elementary, all the way up to that graduation trip. Stick around to the end and I'll tell you how to grab your copy. The 4th thing that I love about the Parklane is that it's in the perfect location for exploring Cyprus. Its location on the southern coast makes it an ideal base for family adventures beyond the resort. You can visit Limassol's Old Town to explore cobblestone streets, quaint shops, and local restaurants. You can take a short drive to the ancient city of Korion, where your kids can marvel at the well-preserved amphitheater and mosaics. And for a nature-filled day, you can head to the Troodos Mountains for hiking and village tours. This resort offers easy access to some of the island's best attractions, giving you the perfect balance of relaxation and exploration. Lastly, the entire magic of the Mediterranean is at your fingertips. One of the best parts of staying at Parklane is being steps away from the sparkling Mediterranean Sea. You can enjoy beach days filled with swimming, paddleboarding, or simply building sandcastles. The resort offers guided water excursions like snorkeling or boat tours, giving you even more ways to connect with the stunning natural beauty of Cyprus. Parklane is more than just a resort. It's a gateway to everything that makes Cyprus special, from its warm culture to its breathtaking landscapes. If you're ready to start planning your family's Mediterranean adventure, we'd love to help. Visit showcasetheworld.com to schedule a call with somebody on my team. And don't forget to grab your free guide, 18 Summers, our 18 favorite destinations for families organized by age, by clicking the link in the description below. Before you go, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with someone dreaming of their next family vacation. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, don't forget to take a break from the busy.